In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Google Drive. First, open Google Drive. You will see a clean interface with various folders and files. This is your central hub for all documents related to your work. If you have not signed in yet, please do so using your Google account. Once logged in, you will have access to all your files and can easily start creating new documents. This step sets the foundation for everything you will do next, ensuring you are in the right place to create your invoice. Next, click on the plus new button located on the left side of your screen. This button is your gateway to creating new documents. When you click this, a menu will pop up with options for creating different types of files. You can create folders, upload files, or start fresh with a new document. Selecting the right type of document is crucial for what you need to achieve. Here we are just a step away from choosing the format for our invoice. From there, select Google Docs or Google Sheets. Each option has its own advantages. Google Docs is great for text-heavy invoices, while Google Sheets can help you easily manage calculations. If you prefer a structured format with automatic calculations, Google Sheets is the ideal choice. Your decision here will depend on how you want to present your invoice. This flexibility is one of the reasons Google Drive is so useful for creating documents. Now, create a blank file. You will see a new document open up in front of you, ready for your input. Starting with a blank file gives you complete freedom to design your invoice exactly how you want it. You have a clean slate to work from, which is important for ensuring that your invoice is professional and tailored to your business needs. At this point, enter your business name and contact details. This information is essential as it identifies who is issuing the invoice. Make sure to include your full business name, address, phone number, and email. This clarity helps your customers recognize your business and contact you if they have questions. Taking time to input accurate information here reinforces your professionalism. Next, add the customer's name and contact details. This step personalizes the invoice and ensures that it reaches the right person. Include the full name, address, and any other relevant contact details of your customer. This is important because it shows that you value your clients and want to maintain a clear line of communication. After that, enter an invoice number. This unique identifier helps you keep track of your invoices and provides a reference for both you and your customer. You can use a numbering system that makes sense to your business, whether it's sequential or based on specific criteria. Having a distinct invoice number is crucial for organization and record keeping. Now add the invoice date. This date indicates when the invoice was created and serves as a reference for payment timelines. Including the date helps avoid confusion about when payment is due. It also establishes a clear timeline for both you and your customer. Make sure this date is accurate to maintain professionalism. Next, add the payment due date. This is the date by which you expect to receive payment. It sets clear expectations and helps your customer prioritize their payments. Be sure to choose a reasonable time frame that allows them enough time to process the payment. Clear deadlines are vital for maintaining good cash flow in your business. Then list the products or services. This section is where you detail what you are charging for. Be specific and clear about each item. This clarity helps your customer understand exactly what they are paying for. It also reduces the chance of disputes later on. List each product or service with care to maintain transparency. Now enter the quantity, price, and total for each item. For each product or service listed, provide the quantity being billed, the unit price, and then calculate the total. This step is essential as it provides a breakdown of costs, making it easy for your customer to see how the final amount is reached. Accuracy here is crucial to avoid any discrepancies in billing. Once that is done, calculate the total amount due. This includes summing up all the individual totals from your listed items. A clear total at the bottom of the invoice summarizes the charges for your customer. This is important because it gives them a quick overview of what they owe at a glance. After that, add your payment instructions. Clearly state how and when you prefer to be paid, whether it's by bank transfer, check, or another method. Clear instructions ensure that payments are processed smoothly. This clarity prevents delays and confusion, making it easier for your customers to complete their payments. Finally, save the invoice automatically in Google Drive. Google Drive saves your work continuously, so you can be confident that your invoice is secure. You will see a notification confirming that your changes have been saved. This step ensures you don't lose any of your hard work and can access it anytime you need. With that, you have successfully created an invoice in Google Drive.